Hi, this is Amrit Palkar once again, and I hope that you all are doing good in your life. And as you know that I have started another speaking series in which I am discussing ideas related to QCA topics, latest QCA topic, that is from August 2021 to December 2021. And apart from that, in my channel you can watch several videos related to different IELTS module, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking. And last but not the least is that I do predictions for final IELTS exam, and so far every prediction has gone right, and I hope the same for the coming predictions as well. So now let's start with today's topic, and today's topic is describe a time you got up early in the morning. So here you can talk about several occasions. The very first and what I can say that the easy is that you can talk about that it was your final exam, and on that day you wake up early in the morning, and it was extremely early in the morning because you were unnecessarily worried about your exam, and it was your maths exam, or you can talk about any exam you feel that you are bad with, or you have a phobia, or it may be a science subject or any, so you can explain that particular thing. But I think that it would be good when you talk about maths and science, because then you need to memorize formulas, different identities, chemical equations, so you can talk about that, and in this way you will be able to talk at a length that is up to 2 minutes or maybe 3 minutes. Okay, so this is the very first topic, and another topic is another idea is that you can talk about any function. There was function at your home, and it might be a wedding or any party, and because of that you wake up early in the morning. And the third is you were traveling to a faraway place, so that's why you wake up early in the morning. So you can actually talk about any of these. But if you are talking about a trip or trip to a far place, then it could be used, the same cue card could be used when it comes to the longest journey. So you can say that I remember that last month when my family and I visited Amritsar. At that time we wake up early in the morning at 3 a.m. and it was the extremely earliest time for us, not only for me but also for my family. So this is how you can talk about. So I hope that this is going to help you. Okay, the next topic is describe an art or craft activity, for example painting, woodwork or anything that you had at school. So here you can talk about anything. So for example that because till 10th we generally have drawing as a subject. Okay, like elective subject we may do it, or we may choose any other subject. So you can say that when I was in my matric, at that time I opted drawing as my extra subject, because I love drawing. So at that time I did many different paintings, and one of my best was related to environment, and I basically painted different trees, and among those trees I show that how things have changed in the last 3 decades. So this is how you can talk. Okay, if you are really good painter, or you can talk about any woodwork, for example that you may have made any project by using wood. Especially science students, they make electric circuits, they use LEDs, okay, diodes, and that's how they use wood and they draw their structure. Okay, they present any assignment or art and craft activity. So there are a number of things you can add in this particular topic. Okay, and I think that it's enough for the day, and all the very best for your preparation. And if you have any doubt related to any module, you are most welcome. You can write your question in the comment box. And thanks for watching. All the very best. God bless you all.